What if you want to stop the timer after you started one? There is a timer stop function. For the demo, let's put everything in the function and let's make it into a command. Now calling the cursor on. After 5 seconds, it should go off. To stop the timer, you need the ID of the timer. So let's save it into a variable and name it timer. And make it global so that you can access it outside the function. And we call timer stop with the ID. So now after calling the cursor on and calling the kill timer, the cursor does not turn off because we turn off the timer and the stop function never gets called. So if we turn on the cursor again, then the new timer gets created, so it should turn off after 5 seconds.